Hi there, students. Nifty. This is a pretty nifty word. Nifty is an adjective, the adverb niftily. This is an informal slang word to mean cool, good, agile, attractive, stylish, excellent, fine, pleasing, agile, quick, first rate. And that's one of the things. This is a very, it's a general word. It's a general word saying good. So I've had a really nifty idea, a really good idea, a really cool idea. That's a nifty hat you're wearing. And so he bought himself a nifty new suit. The ballet dancer is very nifty on her feet, very agile. The fighter made a very nifty move and knocked his opponent out with one nifty move. Yeah, he niftily turned round and caught the glass as it was falling. Okay, so that's the idea of this word nifty. Is something that's good, it's pleasing, it's effective. I've got a nifty gadget that will resolve that problem for you. You can use it for all kinds of things. So smashing, fantastic, awesome, as the Americans might say, amazing, that's cracking, it's absolutely fantastic. Actually, while we're on nifty as well, you've got the Nifty 50, which is an Indian stock market index. I think it's a brilliant name because it rhymes, and nifty is quite a cool word as well. But that's just an aside. So nifty, like I said, nifty is a very nifty word to use. It's good, it's smart, useful, beneficial, stylish. I'll teach you a nifty trick to reduce the amount of electricity you need to use. Yeah, so he's always very niftily dressed. Yeah, he's always very well dressed. He always looks very good. He's very nifty, agile on his feet. I've got a nifty idea, a cracking idea, a smashing idea. The film had some nifty special effects, clever, sharp, slick, or nifty, agile and skillful. He's a very nifty kung fu fighter. Fabulous, fantastic. Very often as well they use nifty to mean be quick. If you want to make use of this opportunity, you'd better be nifty because it's not going to last for a long time. So nifty, excellent, skillful, quick and elegant. A nifty move, a nifty gadget, a nifty idea. And then skillful, some very nifty gadgets that in his home. And please be nifty about this because I need this done now, or I need it done yesterday, quick. And yeah, your clothes are your new jersey is just so nifty. It looks fantastic on you. So, next question, how formal? I'd give this a 3 informality. This is something for an informal conversation. I think for something more formal, either agile, excellent, fantastic, skillful, elegant, stylish, maybe one of those words. And as to origin, there's a suggestion that this comes from theatre slang, and it's short for the word magnificat. Nifty, but maybe that's not true. Maybe it's just one of these tall stories, an urban legend. Okay, so I hope this was a nifty explanation of the word nifty. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Nifty.